Hey guys, what is up? Animal of 2095 here. Back with another video. Wait. Dang it, this angle sucks. Well, I have some Nerf guns in here. I have a Mega. I have this one. I might make another video, so guys, just tell me which one you want in a video, and I'll make them. I have 4. I can't even see them. Like right now, I can see all of them, but I can't. We have the Raven, Twilight, Strong Arm, Maverick, the orange one, or whatever it's called, Recon. Yeah, I have a lot of guns. Oh, we have 2 of the clear shot zombie strikes. Demolisher, of course. From the other videos I've shown. The dart sounds actually work really well. They shoot, if I can, they shoot a lot farther or better. But I mean, if you're gonna go like, if I would go like, yeah, this is just really good. I don't have the bullets in it yet, but. Same now. So I would just go like this. I mean, so I have a lot of guns. Just which ones do you want me to use? Triads. If you guys want to look at more videos, make sure to, well, I have a bunch of my old videos. That's a football. It's an knee pad. The Raven's right here. I have just a bunch in here. Say, oh, I have a big machine gun. So any ones you guys would like, don't I have a stampede? So comment down right now. I'm gonna wait. Okay. It's a new one. So maybe I should do more Nerf videos. Any suggestions? Because I'm still sort of new with this YouTube thing. Let's say. Let's see. I really want to get 80 subscribers, guys. I really want to get to 80 subscribers. So, and, well, I guess, goodbye. Peace. Nerf squad. And it's